Hello, Tyler here with Small Studio Associates, licensed architects in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the surrounding area, including California and Arizona. SSA Architecture offers self-performed MEP work along with the architectural plans. The M in MEP signifies mechanical engineering, and it is often important to a project. If you have a building project, whether it be ground up or a tenant improvement, it is highly likely that you will need mechanical engineering done. Mechanical work generally only pertains to equipment needed for the project. Most projects only require mechanical engineering for the HVAC being used on the project. In Las Vegas, HVAC is extremely important. It becomes quite hot in the summer, and staying cool is often among the highest priorities of clients. When the only mechanical work is for HVAC, the basics can be as simple as providing enough cooling for the space. If the project is being built from the ground up, the breadth of the engineering may just be selecting correctly sized units and distributing the correct amount of airflow for each room. However, if the project is a tenant improvement, it is often beneficial for the client to retain the existing HVAC units and adjust the existing ductwork to account for new rooms and other changes. Beyond HVAC, mechanical engineers are often required to specify correct equipment throughout the project. Restaurants often need many pieces of equipment to not only function but also to pass health codes. That's just a brief overview of what a mechanical engineer may be able to do for your project. The next letter, the E in MEP, stands for the electrical engineering in a project. The final use of a building almost always needs power in order to function. Even if only a few outlets and lights are necessary, electrical work still needs to be done. When beginning to look at the power requirements of a property, it often starts with seeing how much power the building will receive or already receives. This value can then be compared with the amount of power the different planned items need. Every outlet and light source demands a certain amount of power, and the panel must be able to support it. Other equipment also requires power, most notably the HVAC units that have been specified for the project. The electrical work for the project, drawing-wise, only really concerns not exceeding the building's available power and providing the client with what they would like inside their future space, including number of outlets and switch locations. Moving on, the P in MEP signifies plumbing, and it is a necessary portion of any given project. For tenant improvements, the amount of plumbing work varies from project to project. If the fixtures in the bathroom in this space are to remain in place, little to no work will be necessary. However, if the bathroom is being extended or moved, the fixtures will need new plumbing lines in order for the bathrooms to be functional. Additional plumbing work will need to be done if the water heater needs changes or if a kitchen space is being added, moved, or removed. In a ground-up building project, it is important that the plumbing throughout the facility works. It is pertinent that the sewer lines hook up correctly with the nearest communal sewer. It will also be necessary to ensure that the building gets an adequate supply of water to its fixtures. Sizing is important. Each pipe needs to be sized appropriately for the use. If the client is uncomfortable allowing SSA to perform MEP, it is understandable if they wish to use a specialized professional for each of the fields. This video only covers a set of professions that are necessary for any given project. Please continue on to another video to see which other professionals may be needed. If you are looking for more information, feel free to call us at 702-873-1718 and schedule a free consultation. Otherwise, you can check out our website's frequently asked questions page over at smallstudioassociates.com. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.